Ever wondered what it's like to visit Machu Picchu, the ancient city high in the Andes Mountains? Nestled among the clouds, this architectural marvel is one of the seven wonders of the world. It's a testament to the ingenuity of the Inca Empire, a civilization that thrived centuries ago. Known for its intricate stone constructions that seem to defy gravity, Machu Picchu remains a unique destination, drawing travelers from all corners of the globe. Now imagine getting there, feeling the cool Andean breeze on your face. Let's explore how one can reach this magnificent site. So you've decided to visit Machu Picchu. The first step is getting to Peru. The most direct route typically leads to Lima, the vibrant capital of Peru. Lima is accessible through international flights from major cities around the globe. Airlines like LATAM, American Airlines, and Air Canada serve this route frequently, offering a variety of schedules that cater to your travel needs. Now, before you board that airplane, remember to check about your visa requirements. For most travelers, a tourist visa is necessary, but the specifics vary depending on your country of origin. It's always best to consult the Peruvian embassy or consulate in your home country to ensure you've got all your paperwork in order. Alongside your visa, don't forget your passport. It should be valid for at least 6 months beyond your planned date of departure from Peru. Once you've landed in Lima, you're halfway there. Now, let's focus on the journey to Machu Picchu. From Lima, you have two main options to reach Cusco, by air or by road. Let's start with the sky route. Several airlines, including LATAM and Avianca, offer daily flights from Lima to Cusco. These flights usually last around an hour, making air travel the quickest option. But speed isn't everything. For those after comfort, airlines provide a range of services, from in-flight meals to extra legroom. But remember, convenience has its price. Airfares can be steep, especially during the peak tourist season. Now let's hit the road. The drive from Lima to Cusco is a journey of around 24 hours. That's a full day, but it's a day filled with stunning landscapes. You'll traverse the Andes, past quaint villages and rolling hills, seeing a side of Peru that many miss. Buses are a popular choice for this route, with companies like Cruz del Sur and Ultursa offering comfortable reclining seats and onboard meals. However, the long hours and winding roads aren't for everyone. So, there you have it. The quick, convenient flight or the scenic, immersive drive. Each option has its own charm. The decision ultimately comes down to your preferences, your budget, and how much time you have on your hands. Whether you choose to fly or drive, the journey from Lima to Cusco is an adventure in itself. Once you've reached Cusco, you're just a short distance away from Machu Picchu. Now, there are two main ways to complete this final leg of your journey, each offering its own unique adventure. First, there's the classic option, the train ride to the quaint town of Aguas Calientes, nestled at the foot of the mountain. This train journey, taking about 4 hours, is nothing short of spectacular, winding its way through the stunning Peruvian countryside, offering glimpses of the Andes and the roaring Urubamba River. Once in Aguas Calientes, a quick 20-minute bus ride up a series of zigzagging roads will deliver you to the entrance of Machu Picchu. On the other hand, if you've got the spirit of an explorer and aren't afraid of a little sweat, consider embarking on the 4-day Inca trail hike. This trek, steeped in history, takes you through cloud forests and ancient ruins, culminating in a magical sunrise over Machu Picchu on the 4th day. It's a challenging journey, no doubt about it, but the rewards are immense. Nothing compares to the feeling of following in the footsteps of the ancient Incas, with the Andean peaks as your constant companions. Regardless of the path you choose, remember that both options require advance booking. The train tickets and Inca trail permits sell out quickly, especially during the peak travel season from May to September, so plan ahead to secure your spot and ensure a smooth journey. One final tip: take your time. Whether you're peering out the train window at the passing landscape or catching your breath on the Inca trail, soak it all in. These are the moments that make the journey just as memorable as the destination. And then, you're there, standing in the midst of the ancient Inca city, with a view that's worth every step of the journey. The final leg of your trip to Machu Picchu might be short in distance, but it's long on unforgettable experiences, so gear up, set off, and let the adventure unfold. So that's your step-by-step guide to reaching Machu Picchu, a journey that's as exciting as the destination itself. We've unraveled the essentials of your adventure, starting with your international travel to the vibrant country of Peru. With its rich culture, historical sites, and mouth-watering cuisine, Peru is a destination that's worth exploring on its own. However, your true journey kickstarts in Lima, the country's capital, where you'll be setting foot first. From Lima, you'll be making your way to Cusco, the ancient capital of the Inca Empire. Whether you decide to take the scenic road journey or the quicker flight, you'll be greeted by the city's unique blend of colonial and Incan architecture, its bustling markets, and the warm hospitality of its people. Remember, Cusco is not just a pit stop, but a significant part of your journey to Machu Picchu. Next comes the final leg of your journey from Cusco to the awe-inspiring Machu Picchu. Whether you choose the comfortable train ride or the adventurous Inca Trail trek, each route offers its own unique experiences and breathtaking views. And when you finally stand in the presence of the ancient Inca city, nestled high in the Andean mountains, you'll understand why it's considered one of the 7 wonders of the world. Throughout your journey, remember to respect the local culture and environment. The Peruvian people are proud of their heritage and are eager to share it with visitors. The landscapes you'll traverse are unique and fragile, and your responsibility as a traveler is to leave them as untouched as you found them. So there you have it, your roadmap to experiencing the marvel that is Machu Picchu. Each step of your journey, from the bustling streets of Lima to the serene heights of the Andes, is filled with opportunities for exploration, discovery, and personal growth. Now that you know the way, all that's left is to pack your bags, embark on this unforgettable journey, and create your own Machu Picchu story. Safe travels.